Good morning, students. Now, today I am going to explain the very much important theorem of the mathematics. From the fifth class, we are studying that the sum of the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Up to now, we are only using the result. Now, today I am going to explain the geometrical proof of what the theorem is. Thus, we have to prove that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now it is a theorem. Again it has different part given, to prove, construction and the proof. Now given, we have to write down triangle ABC. To prove angle 1 plus 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree 3. Now in this theorem we should prove that the sum of the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. It means angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. Now in this theorem we have to do the construction. Draw line XAY parallel to BC. Draw XAY parallel to BC. Now the next step is proof. Now XY is parallel to BC and AB is the transversal. So we can easily write angle 4 equal to angle 2, alternate angle. Similarly, if this line is parallel to this and AC is the transversal, then angle 5 equal to angle 3, the region is same, alternate angles. Now here XY is a straight line. So we can write angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. We can write it is a straight angle. Therefore, the sum of these three angles must be equal to 180 degree. Now angle 4 can be, angle 4 is equal to angle 2. We can replace angle 4 by angle 2. Angle 1 as it is because it is required in the 2 proof, plus angle 5 is equal to angle 3. So we are getting angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree, or we can rearrange them. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree, hence proved. This is one of the important theorem of class 9. See it again. We have to prove that sum of the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Then as in the theorem earlier I have told you, first point is you have to write down given. Given is triangle ABC. To prove angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 180 degree. Then the construction, draw XAY parallel to BC. Now proof XY is parallel to BC. So angle 4 equal to angle 2 and angle 5 equal to angle 3. Both are alternate angles. Now XY is a straight line. So sum of these three angles must be equal to 180 degree. It is a straight angle. So we can write angle 4 is equal to angle 2. So the angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree, or angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 180 degree. Now see the next theorem is exterior angle theorem. Now in here we have to prove that in triangle PQR. This theorem already you have studied in the 8th class. Now today we will see how to prove it. Now in the triangle PQR, side QR is produced to S. Then exterior angle PRS is formed and it must be equal to sum of its interior opposite angle. We know the theorem is exterior angle of a triangle is always equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. So let us see how to prove. This can be asked as a question. We have to prove this angle PRS equal to angle P plus Q, or angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus 2. Now let us see how to prove it. Now in the triangle PQR, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. Also angle 3 plus 4 equal to 180 degree, linear pair. Now again in these two equations, the right hand side is same. If the right hand side is same, the left hand side must be equal. Therefore angle 3 plus 4 equal to angle 1 plus 2 plus 3. 3 cancelled with angle 3. So we left with angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. This we have to prove. If it come as a theorem in the exam, so we have to write down the given also. In given we should write in triangle PQR, QR is produced to S. But here only some theorems are there in our syllabus. This can come as a question in the exam. So this is all about exterior angle theorem.